Just so you know, I am not going to pursue that matter between you and Doyle.
Oh, can I ask why?
Purely pragmatic. Your job is secure as long as I'm governor. However long that might be.
Well, I'm grateful. For Frankie, too.
Bridget. Those things that Ferguson said about me.
Don't give them another thought.
No, I wanted to ask. You don't think that I'm in any way like her?
The very fact that you can even ask that question means you're not. Psychopaths have no fear. Night, Vera.
No.
Hey, Spunky.
Hey, baby. Hey.
Yeah,
Thanks for picking me up.
I sweat. I wanted to.
It's not weird for you? Being here?
Well, it's no weirder than the rest of my life.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just got some stuff I got to sort out.
We're not breaking up, are we?
My def's not.
You had me worried there for a minute.
I should move out. I have to, Gidge. If I'm ever going to learn how to live on the outside, I need to be able to stand on my own 2 feet.
Sounds like a breakthrough.